going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI2ATXF, the channel, and today we got the Lexon diffuser in the car. We on the way to APAC to see my boy Derek does premium work here. He's going to give it a shot of 2 clear before after he does all the prep work to it. Japanese carbon fiber is not cleared. You always want to, and if you see my mouth a little weird, I just got some dental work done, so forgive me. Japanese carbon fiber, you always want to give it as a clear coat, no matter what. They use gel, and it's susceptible to browning. Any type of clear they put on top of it is not sufficient. So once you get the carbon fiber part, any carbon fiber part for that matter, always get it clear coated 2 times at a minimum and make sure it's quality clear. So on the way to APAC, be right back. Shout out BWI, if you with me, you've been rocking with me for a while, you understand. And this car's trying to pass me. So I swear, everybody today is killing me. Like, that shit right there, that makes no sense, dog. Put in first, put in second, put in third gear, get up the damn hill. It's not even a hill, it's like a ramp. Anywho, we almost there, people playing today. Just a few things here. Some classics. Even got the Germans. Always wanted an SC, never got one. It's my SC now. Back to the back end.
One day later.
Picked it up from Derek, did good work as expected. And this clear definitely gave it a little bit more depth. Cut, double cleared, now we protected, we ain't gotta worry about nothing. You know, yellow, and this is the bottom, of course. But yeah, we already got it cut up. This is gonna be the exposed part right there. And the next step is gonna be to, can't really see the weed. Whatever, it look wet, right? Next step is gonna be to apply some ceramic coat, but we're gonna say that for another video. It's been another episode of BWI2ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and catch you next time.